Kiana Yama. So, are you ready for your question? But before anything else, I would like to ask you if what year na ka sa high school? Second year. So, you're from UC, right? Okay, so, unsa may mong gusto ko akon if mag-college na ka? Oh, accounting. So, gusto siya, kasi na siya? Gusto siya sa bangko pwede mo sabihin sa nasa, right? Ah, okay. Magkasinabot mong doon. So, okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's give her time to pick only one rose. It's really up to her if unsa ka rose niya i-pick. But don't worry, idigapon sila kabasa sa questions.
Iloko ko maayo. Kaya formal lang mga color.
So you're ready for your question? So here is your question. When was the last time you cried? So very emotional atong question to.
Thank you for that question. The last time I cried is the time that we were supposed to celebrate our grand reunion with my friends, but my parents won't allow me to go with them. I was very disappointed until I cried and cried. But with that experience, I realized that my parents had good intentions for me, especially nowadays that it's not safe anymore. That's all. Thank you.
You're always welcome, Kana. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Sariya juta, until now, akong parents, pili jugo sugtan. Mag-reunion sa